Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, the foundations of Yoga Asana with Yoga with Andrea today. And in this tutorial we're going to practice uttanasana or uttanasan, standing forward bend, also known sometimes as rising up pose. So we're going to begin, as we do in so many postures, in Tadasana or mountain pose, and then gently inhale as you raise your arms above the head. As you exhale, engage your thighs, pulling the belly in and up deep from the pelvic floor and bending forwards, hinging from the hips. Place your hands or fingertips on or towards the floor in front of your feet or next to your feet, or hold onto the backs of your ankles or calves. Keep your hips over your heels as you press your heels strongly and firmly into the floor. Roll the top of your inner thighs slightly in. Allow your head to hang, keeping the neck nicely relaxed. Perhaps you can nod the head yes, shake the head no. And then lengthen your spine as you inhale, softening deeper into the pose as you exhale, creating more space for the belly towards the thigh. If you need to protect the lower back, you can practice this with the knees bent to maintain the length in your spine so that you don't overburden that lower spine. Internally rotating your thighs towards one another will help you to spread your sitting bones, giving you more room to fold on in. The benefits of this pose are many, in that it stretches the backs of the legs, the hips and the spine, strengthening the legs, the thighs and also the knees. It has a balancing effect on the nervous system and calms the mind. It's quite an introverting posture. It improves digestion, stimulates the liver and the kidneys, and can relieve tension in the lower back when practiced with bent knees. Make sure that you go for length in the front body over depth in the pose, bending your knees if you feel any discomfort in your lower back. If you have any back injuries, take care, or maybe check with your health professional before practicing forward bends. You may also need to modify or avoid them depending on your individual condition and whether you have irregularities in your blood pressure. You can also practice a ragdoll version of this forward bend, keeping the legs straight or slightly bent, allowing the back to relax and round, allowing your head to be heavy. In this pose, in ragdoll pose, you can either allow your hands to rest on the floor or cross at your arms, hooking each hand into the opposite elbow crease. From here, you might like to sway from side to side, a bit like a pendulum. Thank you for practicing Uttanasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you and goodbye. Namaste.